If you are a small YouTuber making content on this platform and you're not getting the engagement, your views are down, people are not subscribing to your channel, you may feel discouraged, and that discouragement might make you to start asking yourself if YouTube is truly for you, or maybe there's something else you can do with your life. By the end of this video, you're going to know what I did to come out from that moment of discouragement and to keep on going. Hi, my name is David. When I decided that I wanted to be on YouTube, I gave myself a goal, and that goal was to monetize the channel in the first 3 months. But as I kept on posting content, I created my first 9 posts. That was when it dawned on me that my goals were not feasible. It's actually not something I can achieve in the next 3 months. The reason was because I wasn't getting the engagement, the likes, the subscribers that will make me to monetize in the first 90 days. So I started feeling discouraged, and somehow I started asking myself if YouTube was for me or I just have to do something else. But at that moment of discouragement, and I was just thinking about the old stuff, I now realized that there are things making me to feel discouraged. So what did I do to pull myself from that guy who was discouraged and just feeling like, are you sure YouTube is for me, to the guy who is confident about YouTube and so much believe that YouTube will someday pay handsomely? So what did I do? First thing I did was to reframe my expectation. So I realized that the reason why I was discouraged was because of my expectation. I had this expectation that in the first 3 months I am going to monetize the channel. But when I started posting my content, posted the first, posted down to the 5th, the 7th, when I posted the 9th content, that was when reality dawned on me that YouTube is not like social media where you post content and immediately you get crazy eyeballs on your content, crazy engagement, people liking your stuff and even sharing with their friends. And so I had to reframe my thoughts into, I am on YouTube for the long haul. If it takes me 1,000 videos, 2,000 videos, 3,000 videos to monetize the channel, I am going to be here for the long haul. And so what this did to me, it helped me to stop looking out for crazy engagement at this moment and to just keep on showing up, to just keep on putting out posts, knowing fully well that with time, I will begin to find my tribe of people who will like what I'm putting out and they will want to engage more with my post. And that will lead to the next thing I did, which was to understand the statistics. When I was thinking about this, I saw a video that showed that it took the average channel over 200 videos to monetize. When I saw the statistics, I went back to look at my channel. How many videos have you put out, David? And then I realized that I'm even yet to put out my first 20 videos and I am complaining. I am feeling discouraged already. And I told myself that if I'm yet to put out this content, over 200 videos, I don't have any reason to be discouraged. If I want to get discouraged, let me get discouraged after I have put out the 200 plus videos. So when you understand what the statistic is all about on YouTube, you will reduce your expectation and just be in. And you just be in at this point where you're just putting out valuable content. And this will lead me to the next thing I did. The next thing I did was I started cherishing my personal growth over everything. So what do I mean by this? Before now, when I'm making content on this platform, I used to be super shaky. I used to be super afraid to face the camera. But as I kept on doing this, I found out that I am getting better and better in making content on YouTube. My presentation skill has grown to a brand new level. So if I don't have anything to motivate me, I think this is more like the natural motivation I get whenever I am putting out content on this platform. If you're already getting value out of this video, I want you to go on and like the video and subscribe to the channel. It does make a lot of difference. And the next thing I did was I spoke to a mentor. So when I was at this point of discouragement, I wasn't motivated to put out any video. I was just there thinking, asking myself if YouTube was truly something I really wanted to do. So what I did was I reached out to a mentor who is on the platform too, who has over 8,000 subscribers on his channel. I reached out to him and I told him what I was face to face with. And one of the things he told me was, David, you are one video away from monetization. All you need to do is keep going. So if you're at this point right now where you're thinking if YouTube is something you really want to do or not, based on the fact that you are discouraged, I want to also tell you the same thing. You are one video away from monetization. It might be your next video, it might be your 20th video, it might be your 30th video, it might even be your 100th video. But understand that you are one video away from monetization. And so keep going. As I put all this together, I just realized that it is too early to give up on YouTube right now. So I want you to keep on going, keep on creating content, keep on showing up, keep on putting out value. Let your personal growth on the platform motivate you. Understand also that you are one video away from monetization. And if you've gotten value out of this video, I want you to go on and like the video, subscribe to the channel. It does make a lot of difference. And also, one of the things I do every now and then is to try my best to see how I can make my thinking better. There's a video I created over here. It is called Techniques for Positive Thinking. What it does, it helps you in moment of discouragement to realize that when you are in a positive state of mind, there is nothing that can weigh you down. You always find a way to keep on moving. And if you've watched up to this moment, I want to say thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, and God bless you.